The sum of two numbers is 50. Their product is 400. What is the difference between the larger number and the smaller number? So to solve this type of problem, we will just use trial and error. Okay, so we don't know the two numbers, so let the numbers be x and y. So we have the sum of two numbers is 50. So therefore, we have x plus y equals 50. So this will be equation number 1. Their product, so we have x times y is 400. So x times y is equal to 400, equation number 2. So the question is, what is the difference between the larger number and the smaller number? So to solve this, we will just use trial and error. Just factor 400. Find the factors of 400 such that the sum is 50. So if we start with 1 times 400, so this is impossible. 1 plus 400, that is not 50. So next factors, we have 2 times 200. That's still 400, but the sum of this is 200, 202. When we use 5 times 80. So 5 times 80, that is equal to 400. 5 times 80, that is 400, but the sum of this is 85. So next pair, we have 10 times 40. Okay, so this exactly equal to 10 plus 40, that is equal to 50. Therefore, the numbers are 10 and 40. When we add this, 10 plus 40, that is equal to 50. When we multiply this 10 times 40, that is equal to 400. So the question is, what is the difference between the larger and the smaller? So just subtract 40 minus 10, that is equal to 30. The correct answer is letter C. Follow for more.